found one of these things, and it says Universal Grip Trademark Patent Pending. Is it Demons Metzel Manufacturing Company, Chicago? But look at this. This is really cool. There's a check out the detail on this thing. I don't know if you can see it, but like there's all kinds of cool writing on here. This side has nothing on it. There's a smooth end, of course, because I guess these jaws lock onto it. But look at the detail on it. That's like really cool. Like, and it's even got like bolt hole sizes in there. There's a 5/16, a ½ inch, and 3/8. First I thought it was threads because there's a line cut through it, but no, it's just I guess you want to check the size. And I found these things. It's a pair of some kind of cutters. See, it goes like that, crunchy, crunchy. I'll try to make a new blade for it. See, they don't look too complicated. Here's big handles. The cool part is, if you can see right in there, they're made by Pexto, the same company that makes my gigantic cutter tool here. So yeah, it's I don't know if it'll come apart or not, but yeah, cool, the screws. See, I figured my thing was if these screws were still intact and there's one blade I know what it looks like, at least I can either get some hardened steel and make a new blade, or I could probably find one that's totally destroyed somewhere and use the blade on that. But they're not really it's not like razor sharp. It's just see, sharp. It's just a hardened steel piece like that. Here's the back side. It's got some grooves in it, kind of like that. See, it's almost like a Gillette razor insert, only it's not. See, this piece is cracked, but it doesn't look like $1 million worth of machining here. Of course, who the hell am I to say that? But at least if I have the holes, I have the original screws, I can probably make, maybe not both sides of it, but I'm pretty sure I can put together. I mean, it's not a lot of angles to the dangle that I can't. I can't cut a little flat piece of hardened steel. I don't even know if I could machine a hardened steel. I'm not even sure. I have to check. I'm sure there, but I mean, I can always cut a piece of steel and bevel it on I can put the angles on a grinder and then just make two of them. But if I know the dimensions, I mean, these things don't even line up either, which is pretty funny. I don't know what they were for, but it looks like it had a black patina on it. It's really cool though. They're really, really thick. They put some meat on this thing, like something. So that was really cool. But yeah, that's all I found was this. It was cheap. It was like $5. I'll put it together. Who knows? Maybe a giant toenail clipper. Click, click. Anybody got some horse toenails on their feet? No, I know some of you out there got some bad toenails. So anyway, enjoy. Hope you like the videos.